Yo, morning guys, hope everyone's feeling good today. Alright, so we got 1 week left of this tour. Well, at least this leg of the tour. I've been going back and forth in my mind. I'm like, do I just barge the whole country? You know, Tucson, all California, loop my way back to New York. You know, when I do things, I want to really do them and make it work and try my absolute hardest. And as I've gotten older, I've kind of learned sometimes to channel that better, and you know, pick and choose my battles, right? So it's good to focus on something and like work really hard at it and just go for it, but at the same time, like, you got to know when to call it. And with my knee feeling the way it does, I think I should take everything I learned from this, you know, figuring out this tour and how to do all this stuff and kind of organize it better, let my knee heal, and then set up another one. But yeah, I've been going back and forth, like, because I just want to, I'm already out here, you know, I just want to keep it going. And, you know, probably should take care of my knee, let that heal a little bit, and then get back out there. But, yeah, so we got 2 more stops left. We're doing Sunday, Central Skate Shop, 5 p.m., and that's in San Antonio, and then finishing things out at 4 Down in Dallas, Texas. We'll be doing a contest there and a documentary screening for Skate Shop Day, so really excited about those 2 events. And yeah, now I'm heading to San Antonio, and halfway there from Austin to San Antonio, there's this park called San Marcos Skate Park, and it looks pretty fun, so let's hop in there. I'm hurting, man. How's it going? Nice to meet you. How you feeling? Shane. Nice to meet you, Chad.
Chad, right?
How's it going?
How are you?
What's your name?
Garrett.
Nice to meet you, Chad.
Hey, what's up?
What's up? How's it going?
Oh yeah, that's another joke. Yeah. It's got an aggressive waterfall.
Looks fun.
Yeah, I mean, uncommon for a park though, right?
Yeah, no, you don't see this often. Coming here for a while, or?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They used to actually have contests at that Seafan ditch.
Yeah.
To raise money to get towards the city to get this park built.
Really?
Yeah, back in the day.
Oh, that's really cool.
Yeah, that's cool.
You said you're 53?
Yeah.
How often do you skate?
3 times a week.
Yeah.
Both days in the weekend and 1 day during the week.
And when did you start skating?
Middle school, I guess 7th grade.
And no breaks reel, or?
Little ones. 'Cause I always had a board.
Yeah.
But it's just sometimes life gets in the way.
Yeah.
I got into, had a bunch of old cars and messed around with those, and I did competitive mountain bike racing and boxed for a while, but it was always there.
Right, you get into things, but it's always been like
So much of it's about getting the right crew.
Yeah.
You just show up to a park alone or whatever, and you're intimidated, and there's nobody there to push you, nobody to see lines off of, and you get there and just like kind of bummed, and don't skate for like another 3 months, so you never progress. But you get guys that are like getting at you, won't let you not skate on the weekend.
Yeah.
They're like, oh, I got something coming up. What the fuck,
Yeah.
Do that on Friday when you get off of work. Saturday we're gonna skate.
Do you do anything to take care of your body, like to keep skating? 'Cause you look like you're moving around pretty well.
I'm real physically active.
Yeah.
I lift 3 times a week, and I got 2 dogs and a foster dog, and I walk about a mile each every day, and I wear a 30-pound ruckpack.
Oh, okay. So you're moving a lot then. Yeah.
But
good.
Yeah, just and then eating well and stuff. You see people from high school, and that just you think that they're 70, and then you see somebody else who looks like they're 35, and you're like, hey, what's apart from like somebody saying like, oh, I'm on TRT or whatever.
Yeah.
You're like what are you doing? They're like oh, I quit drinking Cokes and I quit smoking, and and now I'm like playing with mushroom in my smoothies and stuff, and you're like, oh, cool.
Yeah, well, yeah, you get to like your 30s and 40s, and then that same behavior that you did doesn't quite work anymore, and you really have to pay attention.
Sure, yeah. And everything's the same with working out. Like what came easy, it's like, okay, I can't just like go out at night, get up in the morning, work out, and then go skate or something. It's like got to have a workout day that's not a skate day, and then like what's my recovery from the workout before the skate?
Yeah.
But it's all relative. Thanks, man.
Yeah. That's awesome. Oh, great to saw you. My sweetheart.
In the shallow end.
Slobber. Yeah. Randy's our hero. He should tell you his. Randy, you should tell Chad your story. What's going on?
What?
I said you should tell Chad your story. Like what's going on with you and stuff. I mean, you're a hero.
I am?
Yeah, with your fucking shit you're dealing with.
Yeah, I have a stage 4 terminal colon cancer.
Really?
Yeah, diagnosed a little over 4 years ago, and they gave me 3 years to live. And I got a 10 and an 8-year-old. Married.
And he's never quit. I mean, he had brain surgery, and he was out here skating like
it
6
went into
weeks
my
later.
brain, and
Are they telling you not to skate, or
fuck
is it?
no. I would fuck them if they did, but no, my oncologist is like, he loves it. He's like, that's what you do. He goes, don't go fucking sit on the couch and die like everyone else, you know,
Exactly,
just wait to die, you know. I'm like, that ain't me, dude. I ain't fucking.
That's incredible.
Yeah, I'm not gonna go lay down for nobody.
Do you feel anything like physically when you're skating? Is it like?
No, man. You know, I guess I get tired a little easier, but no, man, I didn't notice any different, but I don't, you know, I don't let it fuck with me. I just like, you know, fucking eye on the prize, right? You
That's
know,
all you can do. What are you gonna do? Think about it and just make it worse.
Yeah. You know, I'm like, nah.
That's cool.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, I
not
love
me,
seeing
man.
you out here. That's
I
awesome.
got to keep moving and stuff, and you know, go on surf trips, and
Yeah.
you know.
How old are you, Chad?
38 in like a couple days.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
catching up to you guys.
What's that?
Catching up to you guys.
Yeah, I'm 58.
More than 20 years.
58.
58, yeah.
How old are you?
I turned 56 next week.
Wow.
Really?
Yeah, on the 12th.
Cool.
On
You guys are moving really well though.
I give it all up to just keeping active, skating, you know, like, and you know, I've been surfing like basically my whole life. I grew up on the Texas coast, but then I moved out to Santa Cruz for like 20 years and surf and skate out there, and I just never stopped, you know, like, and that's why I can still do it, you know, because if I would have went and sat on the couch, you know.
Yeah. You okay?
Yeah. I hope you got that.
I did.
Yeah.
I think I did.
Sweet. That rules.
You all good?
Glad I started wearing padded shorts.
You got hip pads on?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. That helps.
Yeah, man. I don't know what I'd do without them. I'd be probably going to the hospital right now after that one.
Wow.
But it wasn't that bad.
Yeah.
I'm at the age where you can snap a hip, you know.
Yeah. How'd that feel? Was that?
Not too bad.
No, good.
No, I'm tougher than I look. I think when I was about 37,
Hey, my age right now.
yeah,
Yeah.
I started wearing full pads like whenever it would, no matter what I was skating, because I just hurt myself too much, and
Yeah.
you know, it's like I couldn't work, I couldn't.
That's
you
the
know?
thing, yeah. If it starts interfering with like paying your bills and
Yeah.
you know, yeah.
Yeah.
Love it. Just keep that thing good.
Oh, fuck, man. It's
Hey man,
Awesome
super
meeting
cool
you.
to meet
Yeah,
you.
yeah, it was
man.
great skating
Dude,
with you.
such a pleasure,
Awesome
Chad.
meeting you.
Really,
Yeah, yeah,
thank
take
you
care.
for the content.
Yeah.
You know, we get tons of enjoyment out of it, and I wish you all the fucking best.
That
man.
means a lot, man. Thank you. It was
Absolutely.
awesome meeting you guys.
Take care, man.
I'm so glad I stopped at this park. Such a fun session. Got to meet so many cool people. Really inspiring just seeing people still pushing as they get older. I hope to be skating that well when I'm at 50 plus, you know, so really cool to see. Yeah, now I'm going to head to San Antonio and find somewhere else to skate. All right, guys, just got to Schertz Skate Park, and I saw a picture on Google, and I was like, oh, this looks kind of fun. You know, it's got this little manual pad here. Like, yeah, I can mess around. I don't really do manuals. That looks fun. Thinking it would be like this bigger skate park, so I didn't really like research and look at all the other pictures, but that's kind of basically it. A couple ledges. There's just kind of like a little landing pad. But yeah, it looks fun. I mean, I really came here to just try to do a specific manual trick, so yeah, let's see if we can get it. So awkward. So I've done this trick years ago on a manual pad in New York called Roslyn, and that goes downhill, which makes it much easier. This being like longer and just flat makes it a little bit harder. but I don't know if you could tell, Mark's kind of pitched a little bit this way, so it's kind of making it easier a little bit with this angle, but still more difficult than the other one. Alright guys, I don't think it's getting much better than that. I rolled away in the wrong direction, but I'm battling for this right now, and I was ambitious. I thought I was gonna like power through, have another session, but I'm feeling a little nauseous actually, I guess from the heat and the long session this morning. So I'll take that. Not the cleanest, but yeah, I got what I came for. So yeah, it's gonna be it for me. I'll see you guys tomorrow.